All right, we got this great paint sprayer with a 100% copper motor. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box, give you a quick unboxing experience. We got the instructions along with some accessories right in here. We've got this piece right here. We've got the battery right here. Let's go ahead and just take this out actually, just to show you. Here's the battery right here. We've got the place for the paint with the sprayer right here. That can easily be taken out like so. I'm gonna screw it back in though. Screw that back in. Nice vibe, like that. And then we've got the power cable, the charging cable, power cable. And then we've got this piece right here. And here's how you put these together like so. You're gonna sort of put this off to the side and you're just gonna twist it on, it's gonna lock into place. And from here, you're gonna put the battery on like so. And when you need to charge the battery, just plug it in right here. And so we're obviously ready to go right now. Obviously, this is where you'd have the paint. We don't have that in there. But all you do, you're gonna pull this lever right here. And the paint's gonna come out of here. And you've got these other 4 nozzles right here. So you got one nozzle right here, the copper nozzle. You got another one right here. Another one right here. And another one right here. The other one is in the inside the paint sprayer, as well as this for the cleaning. Cleaning it is very easy. So you're pressing this out, paint spraying out. This is the motor right here. And straight up, dude, this is what you want. And I highly recommend it.